In this video, we're going to look at how to install Office 365 to your computer, how to use those same programs through a browser, and talk a little bit about OneDrive. So starting out here, we're at the home page for OCTC, owensboro.kctcs.edu, and then up top we're going to click our email link. And then we're going to click Go to your email, and then I'm going to throw in my credentials. So here on the home page for your email, we're going to talk about installing Office 365 to your computer first. And so one reason you may want to do this is that if you're taking a CIT course, this provides you with all those applications you'll need, and they're free as long as you're an OCTC student. So we'll click this gear right here at the top right, and this will bring open the Settings tab. Under Search All Settings, we're going to type in Software, and then click the link that pops up below. And then on this page, it says here, Install Office 365 Pro Plus, and it'll provide you with all these different applications. The big four that you use for a CIT course would be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. And so to start the install process, you'll just click down here in this install box. It'll download a small file to your computer. You'll click that file, and then it'll start the larger install process. It usually takes between 30 minutes to an hour. Once all the programs are installed to your computer, you'll need to activate it by putting in your school email and your school password, and that's what pays for the programs. So jumping back to our mailbox here, so to use these same programs, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, through a browser, you'll need to click on this little dial pad up here, these 3 rows of 3 blocks. And so your layout may be different on this page depending on what browser you're using, but it's broken into these little squares with different programs. And as you can see, toward the center we have Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So we'll just look at Word. So to open up Word in your browser, you'll need to log into your email and just click this icon, and Word should open up. Alright, and so you have the option to start a new blank document. You can go ahead and click there. And this provides you with almost 100% of all the functionality that you'd have if you'd downloaded Word and installed it to your computer. There's a couple things that may be a little different, but it's very, very close to the actual program. And so, you can type out your paper. You can add different effects to it. You can change the layout. You can change the spacing. You can insert pictures just like you could in the standard program. And then a couple neat features is that it automatically saves your document. So we'll change the name of this document to test paper. But yeah, it saves it automatically. So if you were typing a paper and the internet were to go out or your computer to go out, it would automatically save what you've written. And so when you finish a paper, although it is saved, we'll talk about where it's saved to here in a second, but you can actually click up here at File, go to Save As, and you can download a copy. So if you needed a physical copy of this paper to email to your instructor or to turn into Blackboard, you'd use this option. But where it saves normally, we'll click on that dial pad up there in the corner, is to your OneDrive account. So we'll click there and let it open up. So OneDrive is cloud storage, but it's kind of like having just a jump drive with you at all times. So the paper that we just typed in Word through our email popped up, saved here. You can upload files if you needed to store them. So if you were typing a paper on a computer here on campus, you needed to save it, you can upload it to your OneDrive. And once again, that's accessed by going through your school email, clicking on this little dial pad up here, and then going to OneDrive. So that covers the basics of installing Office 365 to your computer, how to access those programs like Word through a browser, and we touched a little bit on OneDrive. Thank you.